Good morning students, all of you. Welcome to your new class, online classes of English. And today we are going to discuss on the topic that is in your textbook. It's connected or not? In your textbook on page number 26. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss with you use of has. Use of has. Okay, so now where to use has? Already I have taught you that we learned gender, why we learned numbers which were not included in our syllabus, still we learned it in an extra form. Why? To understand the pronouns, right? And has is always been used with third person singular. Now what is this third person singular, ma'am? So third person is the person about whom the listener and the speaker is talking. Okay, so let's see. The first person is, who is this first person? First person is the speaker. Second person goes with the listener, the person who is listening. Second person is the listener, and third person is the person about whom the speaker is talking and the listener is listening. Okay, so third person is about whom the speaker is talking. Speaker is talking and listener is listening. Okay, so listener is listening or hearing, as you are much preferable with the word hearing, Shona. Okay, so first person is the speaker, second person is the listener. So about the person whom the speaker is talking and the listener is listening. Like for example, if this is Ram and this is Sita, and they are talking about Tom. So Ram is telling Sita, Tom is a good boy. So what Ram is telling to Sita? Ram is telling to Sita, Tom is a good boy. So Ram is the speaker, Sita is the listener. But about whom they are talking? They are talking about Tom. So Tom is the third person. Tom is the third person. Okay. So in this way, Ram becomes the first person, Sita becomes the second person, and Tom becomes the third person. Now let it make it more easier. Has always go with the third person singular, and it is also being used with the pronouns. So which are the pronouns it is being used with? So let us see. So the pronouns which are used with has, like if I consider, ma'am, just see whether this picture is been properly seen over there or not. It is seen? Okay. So if this is a basket and this basket is being carried out by some balloons. Okay. So first one, this basket is has, and has is being used with he. Has always goes with he. Has always goes with it. Has always Okay, and has always go with any type of particular name of a person or place, like Anu, Raju, Meeta, Ali, any type of name. Okay, so has, he always is being used with has always go with it has, she has, Meeta has, Anu has, Raju has, Ali has. So whatever type of name, proper noun, it will go with has. Okay, so this was the concept of has, which I explained you today. We will go with some more examples in our textbook, which is on page number 26. So please open your page number 26 and just go through the examples which I have explained on the board very clearly where to use has. Here in your textbook, it has only been explained with the names, okay, with the proper nouns, but has also go with he, it and she. Okay, so let's read. Anita dash a doll. Anita has a doll. Raju dash a flower. Raju has a flower. Preeti dash a book. Preeti has a book. Tom dash a car. Tom has a car. Yana dash a ring. Yana has a ring. Okay, so these are the sentences which have been used in the sentence has been used with the proper noun, okay, or the naming word. So he has, once more I am repeating, he has, it has, she has, or any type of name goes with has. So today till here I am explaining you the use of has. Next day, next class, I will come with more images and lots of new activities on the topic use of has. Till that time, be safe, be happy. Bye bye. I will be coming next with your science class. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.